Number one, is that spelled correctly? There's usually a Y-E-N.
That's what I was thinking too, but that's what they put in the confirmation too, I think, so.
What do you want?
Right from the start, something feels off. Even the spelling of the name is being questioned. That might sound small, but in court, identity matters a lot. A simple typo can delay proceedings or even affect warrants. So the real question is, are we already looking at a case built on shaky details?
It's because of his criminal history. He's got criminal history that dates 20 years back. I don't believe he's got anything current as of 10 years. So this is a warrant out of New York.
Now this is where things get interesting. A warrant from 1997? That's nearly 3 decades old. Normally, you'd expect something like this to be resolved or dismissed over time. So what kept this alive? And more importantly, should a person still be held accountable after so long without recent offenses?
Him?
No, from I believe. Shh. He had something.
Wow. So it's a burglary?
Even the courtroom sounds surprised. A 30-year-old warrant is extremely unusual. This instantly raises the stakes. Either something serious happened back then, or something went very wrong in the system.
I mean, I thought New York was dangerous, but shit. Do you want to do a name change, Katie, or no?
I don't want to
For the fugitive case, Judge?
No.
This is spelled N-G-U-Y-N, and there's always an E.
I don't think we would need one for the fugitive case.
Okay, I don't know.
I can look at the warrant and double check.
Good morning, Ms. Nguyen.
Good morning, sir.
Mr. Nguyen, you're wanted out of the state of New York for a host of charges, specifically for a burglary, an assault, a robbery, and a possession of a weapon.
He did do parole. He was out on parole about 10 years ago on these cases. So once again, we're not sure.
Wait. That may change things. If he's out on parole, then, hold on.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. But if he's out on parole, Katie, there may be a pre-signed waiver.
He completed parole.
Judge, let me check. I'm not seeing that we have a pre-signed waiver,
Have you?
but I think that, Amy, you had some contact with the jurisdiction?
Yeah, so Manhattan County reached out to us this morning. They were asking if we had the waiver or refusal for him yet. They didn't indicate to me whether this was a probation or a parole. I can reach back out to them to see. Yeah.
That's really important.
I'll do that.
He couldn't have completed because there's a warrant. There would be no warrant if he completed parole.
In as much as
Something must have happened, Mr. Nguyen.
Can I say something now?
But don't talk about the case in general, but just,
Can I say something?
there's a warrant for a reason.
Can I say something, please?
Of course.
These are not minor charges. Burglary, assault, robbery, weapon possession. This is a full list of serious offenses. But here's the twist. If he already served time, why is this still active? That's the mystery building right now.
Send me to upstate, and the judge say like burglary on robbery, some kind of stuff like that. But I do not speak English that much at that time because I came United States when I'm 14, and 5 years later I got arrested. So I basically understand a little bit, not that much. So when I go to court, they just do whatever they want to do. They don't tell me nothing. The case, they just say you got arrested, you got robbery, burglary, something like that. But I do not understand like that right now. So basically, after I finished, after they tell me that, they send me Rock Island. Or Rock Island, they send me upstate. So I do 5 years. First, I do five years.
Okay.
And I see the parole.
Okay.
Parole, keep it 2 more years. And then I finished 7 years, and I went home. And then I went home. I do first. I went to live in Long Island first, and then I still go see parole in New York, right? And then my parents live in Houston, Texas, so I asked for transfer, my paper in transfer to Houston, Texas.
Okay.
So I've complete my parole, everything, and the opening.
what year?
No. So you may have tried to transfer it. Perhaps it never transferred and you just came down here and never
No.
finished the transfer. I don't know.
No, I'm not, the people do for me. That's why I'm allowed to transfer to.
Yeah,
Maybe there's an issue with.
there has to be some kind of issue.
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
I don't think we have enough information to do anything right now. What I need for them to do is reach out back to New York to figure out why the warrant was issued. Is it a parole violation?
I got parole violation one time. I went home, I worked, and I got violation one time. I went to work and they picked me up garbage, what's that, Angleton. I went back over there and I stand in front of the judge. The judge said, "What you do? Why you don't parole?" I said, "I'm working." So he said, "So show me your work." So I work, I bring all my paper, tab paper. I showed him. So
He's still on parole.
No. Can I say something?
Yeah. Go ahead.
He sent me to immigration. Immigration, they're coming out. I still do parole. I still finish. I have the letter over there.
Let's do this. Let's do
We need to
this.
find out more.
Yeah.
I'd like to roll it.
But no, that's too sorry. That's too sorry.
No, I get you. We just need them to.
So let's do this.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna roll it to tomorrow because it's already nearly 12 o'clock. I want to give them time to look into it, to see what New York has to say.
This is a powerful moment. He's saying he didn't fully understand the charges because of a language barrier. That raises a serious concern. Can someone truly defend themselves if they don't understand what's happening in court? This could completely change how you view the case.
Has happened, and if you have signed that, because if you have, I cannot give you a bond. Even if I wanted to give you a bond, I cannot give you one because there's a waiver that's already been signed.
What does that mean, waiver, sir?
I'll let Ms. Oko explain that to you in back because I got a lot of people waiting.
Yes, sir.
But regardless, I'm not ready to do anything today.
Yes, sir.
I need more information from the prosecutors.
Can I say that thing before I go?
Sure.
What I do is, what happened is I finished parole, everything. I get the letter from Albany, say I'm complete to Albany State in New York. That all the paper go to Albany.
Albany.
But something must have happened.
Something, we need to figure it out.
Yes, I got the letter, everything. They sent me letter, everything.
And Judge, I would just add that, I mean, at least from what I'm seeing when I run him, which I'm a little hesitant, but like there's like multiple states with like criminal histories that's like very extensive, that's more than just New York. And so we would also have to try to like.
Okay, I guess just take your time, find out, and then we'll regroup tomorrow.
Get all his.
This is the key legal turning point. A pre-signed waiver means he may have already agreed, in advance, to be sent back without a fight. If that document exists, the judge's hands are tied. No bond, no delay. Everything now depends on one